Pyro King Studio. Right after the Lunar New Year, our water pump started acting up. Look, it didn't explode. I didn't see it clearly at first, but during editing, let's take a closer look. Wow, look at those spark fly. And then the circuit breaker trip, see? It was already dark outside then, a bit troublesome. Let's test it after sunrise. This tank is usually a bit dirty. I think the water level switch is broken. Wait a second, if it pulls out again, we will see the flash. Let's do the test, alright? I will get the cameraman to help, ready to turn on the power. Watch closely, pay attention. Can you see it? It should be coming from the switch. Later when I replay the video, I still thought it was the switch. But when editing frame by frame, oh my god! It might have been the wire that exploded, you know? But you can tell without looking frame by frame. At that moment, I just assumed the water level switch was dead. But when I checked it, there was no short circuit or leakage. No grounding issues. So my thought at the time was, it should be the pregnant contact point inside the switch. Maybe they were worn off, and then it sparked and blew up, something like that. Maybe the motor is failing too. Let's just try. Anyway, for now, no matter how I measure it, it seems fine. After disconnecting the wires, let's turn the power back on. Power on. Look, it's totally fine, see? Alright, I was exhausted, so I thought, if I just replace the switch, it will be okay. It looks okay to the naked eye, so strange. Whatever, let's just try it as a spare part. Here's the screw hole. Let's clean it a bit, not the screw hole. The mounting bracket. Take off the old bracket and replace it all. This is our water level switch. If you have some tank, keep spares ready. You never know when they will fail. Let's install this new switch. I wasn't actually planning to replace the pump, but when editing later it was so weird. How did it happen? We've talked about adjusting water level before. See the float, go down to the water surface. Fix the top flow bowl first. Then fix the bottom flow bowl. Tie a knot at both ends, actually 2 knots. Cut off the extra string and that's it. Okay, now let's connect the wires. This switch has screws for low and high. For drainage, we use high position. This means the switch turns on when the water is high. Connect it now. I've explained the wiring before, so no need to go into detail. Just think of it as sunlight entertainment. I'm just telling a story today. I had the spare parts ready long ago. Look at these two guys joking around, pretty funny. Can I just not film it? You are not helping at all. Not yet. This is what my real life look like. 拿起来，拿起来，拿起来！我刚刚
I just saw something inside. Pick it up.
它不对，行了。
Here is a recipe. What year was it bought? I bought it 3 years ago, waiting for the pump to break. Better safe than sorry, but 3 years. I don't know if that's a long time. If the spare was 3 years old, the broken one may be 5 years old. I'm not sure, it's been a while. Everything is modular now. Just put it out and plug it in. Very convenient. That's the beauty of a modular design. Screw it on and plug it in. I usually say push it in, but you keep saying insert it up. Can't you see the port is on top? Alright, no pipes need. It's all modular. Just push it in. Then take these wires. Connect them and use a heat gun for the heat shrink tubing. Done. But what I saw today, while I was editing, well, when I was cutting the video, looking at it frame by frame, I saw where the flash came from. It was a bit scary. I should have checked that one properly. The one I threw away, I mean the old one. I should have checked if the wire inside the pump had actually exploded. It's already in the garbage truck. Too late. That's life. I try not to have regrets, but I still do. Power on. Look. Pumping normally now. Poor old pump. I never got the real answer. Let me screw out this debris. Now the pump is working perfectly. Back to normal. That's all for today's story. Now let's have some music. We succeed again. Keep trying, you will succeed. If you don't have time to try, subscribe to Piraking Studio. It will boost your DIY and repair skill. Subscribe, share, and like. See you next time.